So hello guys, so the topic today about is about subtracting of polynomials. So this topic is under to the algebra subject. So first, bago nyo panoorin nyo muna yung adding of polynomials bago ito. Gets? So dito naman parang ganoon lang din, pero nagsusubtract naman tayo dito and may nangyayaring distribute ng negative sign. Nagdi-distribute siya ng negative sign, guys. Gets? So first, panoorin nyo muna yung adding of polynomials before ito. So, game guys, let's go! Here's the first equations sa subtracting of polynomials. So, ganito yan guys. Negative 10a squared minus 11a5 plus 9a from 13a squared minus 6a5 minus 2a. So, ganito ginagawa yan guys. So, from the word from sa kanya siya galing. So, dito yan yung 13a squared. Sa kanya siya galing. So, dito siya mag-start. 13a squared minus 6a5 minus 2a minus is the word subtracting. And parenthesis for the 10a squared minus 11a5 plus 9a. Gets? So next is distribute the negative sign on each term. Gets? O game. 13a squared minus 6a5 minus 2a plus negative times negative positive 10a squared, and this negative times negative will positive, and last the negative times positive is negative 9a. Gets? So next is combine like terms. Lahat na magkakamukha. So first, unahin natin malaking exponent, which is the negative 6a, 5, and 11a raised to 5. So 11a raised to 5 minus 11a raised to 5 minus 6a raised to 5 is equals to what? 5a raised to 5, diba guys? Gets? So next is the 10a squared. 10a squared plus the 13a squared is equals to what? Plus 23a squared, diba guys? Add the 10 and 13. Gets? So the next is the 2a, negative 2a, and the negative 9a. Negative 2a plus minus 9a is equals to what? Negative 11a. Negative 2 minus 9 is equals to negative 11. Negative 11, guys. Gets? So the final answer is the 5a5 and plus 23a squared minus 11a. So ito yung final answer, guys. Gets? So the next problem is, or the next equation, the b raised to 4 minus 7b cubed minus 3 from 8b cubed minus 6 plus the 3b raised to 4. First, from the word na from, sa kanya siya nanggaling. Sa kanya galing from. So, siya yung mauuna. 8b cubed minus 6 plus 3b raised to 4 minus, the minus here is the subtract. Gets? And the b raised to 4 minus 7b cubed minus 3. So, next natin gagawin guys, distribute the negative sign. Gets guys? So, distribute natin negative sign. So, the negative sign, distribute. So, the answer is copy this one minus 6 plus the 3 raised to 3b4 minus, ito muna, b raised to 4, and this one is positive 7b cubed, and lastly is the positive 3. Gets guys? Gets guys? So the next is the combined like terms. So the combined like terms, first identify the highest exponent, which is this. So 3b cubed, 3b4 minus b4 is equals to 2b raised to 4. The next one is the 7b cubed and 8b cubed is equals to what? Plus 15b cubed. And lastly is the 3 and negative 6 is equals to what? Negative 3. So the answer is 2b raised to 4 plus 15b cubed minus 3. Guys, gets? So the next equation is the 5x cubed minus 9x squared plus x minus 3 from x squared plus x plus 1. So from the word na from, sa kanya siya nanggaling. So copy the x squared plus x plus 1 minus, the minus sign is the subtraction. Minus of, copy the 5x cubed minus 9x squared plus x minus 3. So the next is distribute 1 by 1. Gets? The sign distribute guys. So copy the x squared plus x plus 1 minus 5x cubed plus 9x squared minus x minus 3. Distribute nyo lang. Distribute. Gets? Next is get the highest exponent. So, negative 5x cubed lang siya guys. Siya lang mag-isa. And the next is what? 9x squared and another x squared. So, the answer is 10x squared. Pag-add nyo sila guys. Then the next, this will be cancel. May piso ka, meron kang utang na piso is equals to 0. So, cancel. So, the next is what? 3 and 1. So, is equals to positive 4. So, the answer is negative 5x cubed plus 10x squared plus 4. So, ito yung final answer guys. Gets? So, that's all guys for the subtracting of polynomials. So, guys, thank you for your support and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.